Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Welcome back to Kaur's Kitchen. Today I am making pizza. So let's start with the pizza base first. So to make pizza base we need Edmond's instant dry yeast. We will use 1 sachet of this, and oregano, Italian herbs, sugar, salt and water, and wheat flour. So to make the pizza base, first we will take 1 sachet of this Edmond dry yeast. This sachet is having around 3 teaspoons of yeast. So 3 teaspoons, like I will use the whole sachet because I'm going to use 5 cups of wheat flour and this whole sachet of yeast. And then I will add 2.5 teaspoons of sugar, this is lukewarm water. Lukewarm water I will add into this. Mix it. Now keep it aside for 15 minutes. But we need to make the dough. I'm using my bread maker to make the dough. First I will add 5 cups of wheat flour. So we are not going to use any plain flour into that. This is very healthy pizza. Salt as per your taste. So I'm going to use these small spoon, 4 spoons of salt. Oregano and Italian herbs we are going to use as per your taste. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of these, 1 tablespoon of oregano and 1 tablespoon of Italian herbs. So we will add 10 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm using 5 cups of wheat flour, so 10 tablespoons of olive oil into that. So we have to wait for this yeast mixture to rise, then we will add into that and we will keep it to make the dough. So after 15 minutes, add this yeast mixture into the flour mixture. And I'm going to put this mixture into the bread maker to knead the dough. So after the dough is ready, we have to keep it to rest for 3 to 4 hours before we start making pizza. So I'm going to put this mixture into bread maker. My bread maker has a number 22 option for the dough. It takes around 45 minutes to knead the dough. After 5 hours, dough is ready. So we can make 6 pizzas from this dough. So now my kids want to do topping because they love to do topping. My kids are so excited to tell you what toppings we need to do on pizza. So they want to join me now. They are just sitting in front of me. Say Fateh Namaste.
Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.
So what you are going to do here now? Why you are here?
Make pizza.
You are going to make pizza. Okay. So what you love to do?
Just
Eat pizza or make pizza?
make
Both. Okay.
both.
Okay. So who is going to introduce what we need for topping? Okay, half of the ingredients Amrit will tell and half Namaste will tell. Okay? Okay.
That's a lot.
It's okay. Yeah. Tell what we need for topping. Spit, yeah. Bolo, bolo.
Onion, tomato, and capsicums, mushrooms, olives, jalapeno, and spinach.
And cheese. And pizza sauce.
Yeah.
ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੀਜ਼ਾ ਬੇਸ ਸਾਰੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਤੇ what you can do, you can simply make the base ਤੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਤਵੇ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹਲਕਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਪਕਾ ਕੇ I will show you how to do. ਫਿਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਫ੍ਰਿਜ 'ਚ ਸੇਵ ਕਰਕੇ ਰੱਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ like for 1 week you can save the base in the fridge. So the base is ready now. Let's put sauce. So this pizza sauce is also homemade. Hope I will share the video soon with you. So sauce. Now rest of the toppings is going to be done by kids because they are going to do their own pizza topping.
Okay.
Okay, let's start. First, what we do, Amrit knows. Put spinach. You put these things. You don't like jalapenos, you leave that. Wait, first
I hate you.
put some cheese at the bottom.
No.
Yes, we do. Let's put the cheese first.
I want to.
I will do the cheese for you.
No.
Let's put spinach, Amrit.
Spinach.
Yeah.
Then this. What was it called? I forgot. Mushrooms.
Now put the mushrooms, Namastang.
Okay.
Put Amrit.
Oh my god, that's so much. Stick it.
Now capsicum.
Do you have to do green ones also?
Yeah, green one also.
Anyone.
That's it. Enough.
Or just a bit more.
No, enough.
Yeah, that's it. Oh, my hand is
Next.
tomato?
Tomatoes.
Oh, I want to put tomatoes. I know every ingredients.
Yeah.
Oh, me too.
That's it.
I'm so cool.
Onion. More cheese on the top. Yeah, olives. Yeah, I know.
Oh, now. Wait, let's leave the olives.
And you can put olives now.
Yay. Olives here, olives. Oh, stop making down. I'm putting olives.
I will show you the another way now कि ਤੁਸੀਂ base ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ fridge ਵਿੱਚ ਰੱਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਬਾਅਦ ਚ use ਕਰਨ ਲਈ. He's waiting for the oven to get preheated. अमृत को लोग वेट नहीं हो रहे एक्चुअली बार जाके ओवन ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਦੋਂ ਪ੍ਰੀਹੀਟ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਕਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੀਜ਼ਾ ਰੱਖਾਂਗੇ ਕਦੋਂ ਬਣੇਗਾ ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਖਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਸੋ ਬੇਸ ਨੂੰ ਰੋਲ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਤਵਾ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਗਰਮ ਹੋਣ ਤੇ ਪੈਨ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਤਾਂ ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਸਾਈਡਸ ਤੋਂ ਥੋੜਾ ਥੋੜਾ ਪਕਾਣਾ ਹੈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਪਕਾ ਕੇ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਠੰਡਾ ਕਰਕੇ ਫ੍ਰਿਜ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣਾ ਰੈਪ ਕਰਕੇ ਰੱਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਤੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੀਜ਼ਾ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਇਹ ਪੀਜ਼ਾ ਵਿਦਆਊਟ ਜੈਲਪੀਨੋਜ਼ ਹੈ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਬੱਚੇ ਸਪਾਈਸੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਖਾਂਦੇ ओवन ऑलरेडी प्री हीटेड है, मैं जैलपिनो पाई है. Now it will take around 20 minutes.
That was just shaving my face.
Oh, it's not getting ready. So the pizza is ready. Now we will cut it. See. Amrit, your plate.
चार दे दो.
की दे दा?
चार दे दो पिज्जा.
4 पिज्जा दे दा. ओके 4 पिज्जा दे देनी है. हेलो.
तीन ते एक और.
ओके एक और. हेलो 4 ठीक है. लेमन पेपर पाना है.
हाँ जी.
So,
Yummy. I like
बढ़िया
it.
टेस्ट आना है.
Thank you.
नमस्ते में 2 ही लेना है कि 4 लेने हैं?
दो. दो.
ओके खाओ फिर. लेमन पेपर पाना है.
हाँ जी. I like lemon pepper.
So,
Yummy.
हॉट नहीं है.
No.
यमी.
Yummy. Yummy.
So, होप तुसी भी ट्राई करोगे पिज़्ज़ा रेसिपी, बिकॉज इट्स वेरी हेल्दी पिज़्ज़ा. नो क्लीन फ्लावर, नो मैदा, ओनली व्हीट फ्लावर. ते घर दी बनी सॉस दे नाल और सारी वेजिटेबल्स. इट्स वेरी हेल्दी.
If you like our pizza recipe, please like.
शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. थैंक यू. वाहिगुरू जी का
खालसा, वाहिगुरू जी की फतेह.
वाहे